Let's make my Grandma Josephine's peach cobbler. First, we're going to make our pie crust, which we also use to make our dumplings. Start by combining your dry ingredients, flour, sugar, salt. Then I take 2 sticks of unsalted butter that is ice cold and I shred it into my bowl. Combine the butter and the dry ingredients until it's nice and flaky, and then I go in with some ice cold water. I form the dough with my hands and then I separate it into 2. I wrap them in plastic wrap and put them in the fridge while I work on my peach mixture. To my peaches, I add brown and white sugar, cinnamon, and a ton of vanilla bean paste. I stir it well and then I bring it to a simmer while I work on my dumplings. I grab half the dough from the fridge and roll it out. Then using a pizza cutter, I cut it into little squares. Now that our peaches are simmering, I add in the little dough squares into my mixture. Then I finish it off with a cornstarch slurry so it looks nice and thick just like this. Now grab the other half of the dough from the refrigerator and use that part for your top crust. Now I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I have a hard time doing this design. I need to practice a little more. Anyway, sprinkle it with some cinnamon sugar and put it in the oven. And when it comes out the oven, try not to eat it all. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy.